ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Yajnavalkya ji and Shakalya, between them there is a dialogue. The Devata, that 3306 Devata Prakranam is complete. Now they are discussing about the Devata of the Disha. So in next 5 mantras, the Disha Devata are discussed, along with the Devatas, with Pratishtha, etc. Mantra number 20, page number 903. किं देवतो अस्यां प्राच्यां दिशि अस्सीत्यादित्य देवत इति स आदित्यः कस्मिन् प्रतिष्ठित इति चक्षुषी इति कस्मिन्नु चक्षु प्रतिष्ठितमिति रूपेष्विति चक्षुषा हि रूपाणि पश्यति कस्मिन्नु रूपाणि प्रतिष्ठितानि इति हृदय इति होवाच हृदयेन हि रूपाणि जानाति हृदये ह्येव रूपाणि प्रतिष्ठितानि भवन्ति इत्येवमेव एतद्याज्ञवल्क्य. Like how it is in this mantra, next 4 mantras will be similar. Only thing is, disha will be different. Prachya, udijya, avak, pratijya, etc. Kim devato asyam prachyam dishi asi. Asi means you are. Which devata? You can see bhashya also. Kim devatah का देवता अस्य तव दिग्भूतस्य. What is your देवता? किम देवतः समास विग्रह is का देवता अस्य. Asya tava, of you. You, the one who is digbhuta, the one who has done upasana of this disha devata. You have become one with that disha devata. So you are digbhuta rupa, dig rupa. Here, when Shakalya says, do you know something? Yajnavalkya says, I know it. I know does not mean I know this is the disha, this is the devata, I know this desha. I have done upasana of this devata. When I do upasana of any devata, I become one with that upasya. So Yajnavalkya ji, when he says, I know this, I know that, it is not he has lot of information. He has done upasana. That's why this question, Kin devato asyam prachyam dishi asi. Asi means you. See Hindi translation also. इस पूर्व दिशा में तुम किस देवता से युक्त होकर स्थित हो? तुम स्थित हो. You have identified with the devata and you are that in the form of that devata. So Yajnavalkya, when he says I am Brahmishtha, not that he has lot of information. He has done all these upasanas, he has identified with all these devatas. When we study Vedanta, it is not for gathering lot of information. Google has lot more information than any one of us. Abidance in that, identifying with Brahma or whatever your Saguna Ishta Devata is, that is Mukhya Sadhana. That this Google and internet cannot do. That is where I have to show my Chitta Shuddhi. That they cannot have. Information gathering and information distribution, that is not our objective. Transformation, purification, and abidance in the self. So we should never think Vedanta as a shallow medium for gathering information and distributing to people. They will have more information than us. Iti Aditya Devata iti. So Purva Disha, Aditya, Surya is the Devata. Saha Aditya Kasmin Pratisthita iti. In what is that Aditya Pratisthita? Chakshushi iti. Surya Devata is Pratisthita in Chakshu. So two ways you can understand this. Chakshushi means in Vyashti, individual's Chakshu, because he is as Amsha in all Vyashti, Paramatma, Surya Devata is present. But more importantly, this Chakshu, if you take it as for Virat Purusha, then Chakshoho Suryo Ajayat. From Chakshu, Surya Utpatti is there. So Karana of Surya is Chakshu, but not individual Chakshu. That's Virat Purusha's Chakshu. So Aditya Kasmin Pratisthita, when this question comes, Chakshushi, individual is a amukhya answer. Mukhya answer will be of the Samashti. Then Kasminnu Chakshu Pratishthitam iti Rupeshu iti. Where is Chakshu Pratisthita? Means Chakshu functions through Rupa. Yesterday also we saw this in Brahma Sutra. Brahma Sutra, we saw that the Grahaka and Grahya. So Grahya Vishaya is established through Grahaka and Grahaka is established through Grahya. So here Chakshu is Pratishtita in Rupa. Why? Chakshusha hi Rupani Pashyati. Through Chakshu alone he sees all the Rupa. Kasminu Rupani Pratishtitani iti. Where all the Rupas are Pratishtita? Hridaye. Hridaye means Buddhi. Iti hovacha. Why? Hridayena hi Rupani Janati. Through Antakarana Vritti alone, all forms are known. So Hridaye hi eva Rupani Pratishtitani. All the forms are Pratishtita in Hridaya. Pratishtitani bhavanti. Iti. Evam eva etad Yajnavalkya. Yes, you are correct. Tika. प्राच्याम दिशि का देवता इति वक्तव्ये कथम अन्यथा पृच्छ्यते तत्र. You should ask who is the devata in the eastern direction, Pracyam Dishi. Instead, you are asking which devata you are of the eastern direction. Which devata you are, why you are asking about Yajnavalkya. Asau hi Yajnavalkyo hridayam atmanam dikshu panchadha vibhaktam. Di atma bhutam tadvareణ sarvam jagat atmatvena upagamya aham asmi digatma iti व्यवस्थितः. पूर्वाभिमुखः सप्रतिष्ठावचनाद् यथा याज्ञवल्क्यस्य प्रतिज्ञा तथैव पृच्छति. This Yajnavalkya hridayam atmanam dikshu panchadha vibhaktam. The 5 directions means the 4 main directions and up. So these 5. Panchadha vibhaktam dig atma bhutam tadvareణ sarvam jagat atmatvena upagamya. So Yajnavalkya through the upasana dig atma bhutam and tadvareణ. So understanding that as one's own self, this upasana is done. how the entire jagat is me. Sarvam jagat atmatvena upagamya. Upagamya janan. Aham asmi digatma. I am the digatma. Means I am presiding over this. I am. So who will be able to do this? The one who has done samashti upasana. I am Surya. I am Varuna. I am Yama. All these devatas who are there in the direction. So this is not that Yajnavalkya has all information. Again, I am repeating. He has done this Sarvatma Bhava Upasana also. Iti Vyavasthitah. Vyavasthitah, 1 number tippani, Nishchitah. Purvabhimukha Sapratishtha Vachanat. Purvabhimukha, when he is turned towards east. Turn means not physically, in his mind he brings eastern region. Then that devata. Sapratishtha vachanat yatha yagnevalkyasya pratignya tathaiva pruchhati. As his pratignya is, so he is asking. Who? Shakalya. Pratignya, you see, 2nd number tippani. Aham asmi digatma iti evam rupa. I am the digatma. Tika. Atmanam means atmiyam iti yavat. Atmanam atmiyam. Yathoktam hridayam atmatvena upagamya iti sambandha. Yathoktam hridayam atmatvena upagamya. Here hridayam means this understanding. This understanding of what is the devata and what is the disha of that devata, that is me. Atmatvena. Aham asmi. Person who does this samashti upasana more and more, this is the only way of eliminating ragadvesha. Because samashti bhavana, like in our sharira, when I have samashti bhavana, I will not have ragadvesha towards my body parts. That elimination of ragadvesha is actual vairagya. Because then you are neutral. Tathapi, prathamam prachim disham adhikritya. Prashne ko hetu riti chet tatra. So if he is one with all 5 directions, then why first eastern disha? This is because purvabhimukha. Yadyapi digatma aham asmi iti sthitas tathapi katham sarvam jagat atmatvena upagamya tishtati iti avagamyate tatra aha. Even though digatma aham asmi, I am the deity presiding over the directions, sthita, tathapi katham sarvam jagat atmatvena upagamya tishtati, how he stays as the whole world I am in this understanding. Tatraha sapratishtha. Sapratishtha vachana. Pratishtha, sapratishtha disho veda iti vachana. He knows pratishtha, he knows the disha. Means he knows disha along with its pratishtha, along with the devata. सर्वम अपि हृदय द्वारा जगत आत्मत्वेन उपगम्य स्थितो मुनिहि इति प्रतिभाति इत्यर्थः. सर्वम अपि हृदय द्वारा जगत आत्मत्वेन उपगम्य. He has identified with the whole world as one's own self. So for Jivan Mukta, this is very important in 2 ways. One is Sarvam Aham Asmi. Therefore, because it is not that after Jnanam, there will not be any Vyavahara. There will be paristhiti, and you will see that somebody gets something which you don't get. What you are supposed to get and you don't get, or you have but it is over, and somebody else has more than what you have. In all these circumstances, I am all, this buddhi alone will protect you. Otherwise, I am not getting this, I had this, it is not there anymore, and I will go on crying internally. So I am all, this buddhi is required. The other side of it is, everything is mithya. Therefore, why do I want it? Jagat mithya chintanam will also help me. So here it is sarvatmatva chintana. So Muni has done this sarvatmatva chintanam, and therefore jagat atmatvena upagamya sthita. Munihi iti pratibhati. It appears like this. प्रतिज्ञानुसारित्वाच्च अयं प्रश्नो युक्तिमान इत्याह यथा याज्ञवल्क्यस्य प्रतिज्ञा. As his pratigna was, so is the question of Shakalya. Further in Bhashya, Kim devatas tvam asyam dishi iti. Dishi asi iti. Kim devatah tvam. What devata you are. So Samas Vigraha we already saw in Bhashya first line, Ka devata asya. टीका. अहम अस्मि दिगात्मा इति प्रतिज्ञानुसारिणी अपि प्रश्ने देहपात उत्तरभावी देवता भावः पृच्छ्यते सति देहे ध्यातुस् तद्भावा योगात् इति आशंक्य आह. अहम अस्मि दिगात्मा, I am this digatma iti प्रतिज्ञानुसारिणी अपि प्रश्ने. The question was, according to pratigna, देहपात उत्तर भावी देवता भावः पृच्छ्यते सति. Sadharana, the understanding is, I will become that devata whose upasana I am doing after the body drops. But here, while you are in this body, you are of that devata swarupa. Because the question is, Kim devata asi? Asi right now, Vartaman kala. So, dehapat uttar bhavi devata bhavaha pruchyate sati dehe dhyatuhu tad bhava ayogat. Devata bhava prapti will be only after dehapata. Dehapata uttar bhavi is the devata bhava. If that is what you are asking, then sati dehe dhyatuhu tad bhava yogat. While body is there, can the devata upasaka become of that devata nature? No. He cannot be Agni Varuna right now. Iti ashankya aha sarvatra hi vede yam yam devatam upasta ihaiva tadbhutas tam tam pratipadyata iti. Sarvatra hi vede, everywhere in the Vedas, yam yam devatam upaste. Whichever devata upasana you do, ihaiva tadbhutah. Here itself you become that. Here itself you become means, here you don't become devata. Here you gain the guna of that devata. The qualities of that devata you get here. Iti intika na bhavi devata bhavaha prashna gochara iti shesh. Therefore, this question prashna gocharaha prashnasya vishaya. Gochara means vishaya. The subject matter of this question is not bhavi devata bhava. The subject is what you have become now. Means with whom you have identified so that you have the qualities of that devata now. इहैव तद्भूतः उक्ते अर्थे वाक्यशेषम अनुकूलयति. In that there is anukula vakya. तथा च वक्ष्यति देवो भूत्वा देवान् अप्येति इति. So you see देवो भूत्वा, भूत्वा 6 नंबर टिप्पणी. जीवत दशायाम एव देवता तादात्म्यम आपद्य. While we are in this living state, I have identified with devata. In other words, here I identify with that devata, I get the qualities. Hereafter, when I drop the body, I attain that devata soul. So devo bhutva here, devan apyati hereafter. Prashnartham upasamharati. The question is being concluded. अस्याम प्राच्याम का देवता दिगात्मनस तव अधिष्ठात्री कया देवतया त्वं प्राची दिग रूपेण संपन्न इत्यर्थः. What is the devata of these eastern directions? तव अधिष्ठात्री कया देवतया, देवतया तृतीया इयम उपलक्षणे साहित्यवा, और उपलक्षण here. So identified with which devata you are presiding over eastern direction. Instead of just asking which devata is presiding in eastern, identified with which devata you are presiding. So itara aha aditya devata iti. Itara means Yajnavalkya. He asks aditya devata iti. प्राच्याम दिशि मम आदित्यो देवता सोहम आदित्य देवता. आदित्य देवता समास will be आदित्यो देवता यस्य कस्य मम याज्ञवल्क्यस्य. सो अहम आदित्य देवता. I am आदित्य देवता. So you sometimes you have to have that. If both of them will work in one linga, it is different, but otherwise they will be different. Sadeva iti etaduktam. Sadeva, because Yajnavalkya ji said, I know Sadeva Sapratishtha. So now Devata answer is given. Now Pratishtha. Sapratishtha iti tu vaktavyam ityaha. Sa Adityah kasmin pratisthita iti. Where is he pratisthita iti? Chakshushi iti. In the Chakshu. Tika. आदित्यस्य चक्षुषि प्रतिष्ठितत्वं प्रकटयितुं कार्यकारणभावं तयोर आदर्शयति. आदित्यस्य चक्षुषि प्रतिष्ठितत्वं. आदित्य is प्रतिष्ठित in चक्षु. प्रकटयितुं कार्यकारणभावं तयोः. Between Aditya and Chakshu, कार्यकारणभाव is shown. अध्यात्मतः चक्षुष आदित्यो निष्पन्न इति ही मंत्र ब्राह्मण वादाः. चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत इति. चक्षुष आदित्य इत्यादयः. मंत्र एंड ब्राह्मण वादाः means वदन्ति इति वादाः. Mantras and brahmanas in Veda, they speak of this, that from Adhyatma, the Adhyatmatah Chakshusha, from the Chakshu, Aditya has come. Nishpanna. कार्यम ही कारणे प्रतिष्ठितम भवति. कार्यम इज सूर्य, कारणम इज चक्षु. टीका. चक्षुः सूर्यो अजायत इत्यादयो मंत्रवादाः तदनुसारेणश्च ब्राह्मणवादाः. Brahmana will follow mantra of the Veda. भवतु कार्य कारण भाव तथापि कथम चक्षुषी आदित्यस्य प्रतिष्ठितत्वम तत्राह. Okay, there is karya karana bhava, but still, how chakshushi adityasya pratishthitatvam, how in chakshu aditya is pratisthita, the karya is pratisthita in karana. Kasminnu chakshu pratishtitam iti rupeshu iti. Where is chakshu pratisthita? In rupa. Katham chakshusho rupeshu pratishthitatvam tatraha. How chakshu is pratisthita in rupa? रूपग्रहणाय ही रूपात्मकम चक्षु रूपेण प्रयुक्तम. और रूपग्रहण रूपात्मकम चक्षु रूपेण प्रयुक्तम. और रूपग्रहणम अलोन दिस चक्षु the विषय रूप has become चक्षु as though. रूपात्मकम चक्षु रूपेण प्रयुक्तम. प्रयुक्तम नियुक्तम. So all रूपात्मक जगत is as though appointed as chakshu to see it, to experience it. तथापि कथम यथोक्तम आधार आधेयत्व. He says, okay, but why is this आधार आधेय भाव? यैर्हि रूपैहि प्रयुक्तम तैहि आत्मग्रहणाय आरब्धम चक्षुः. यैहि रूपैहि प्रयुक्तम चक्षुः तैहि आत्मग्रहणाय आरब्धम. और रूप, आत्मा मीन्स रूप, रूप ग्रहणाय चक्षु आरब्धम. So as if Rupa is saying, I will appoint you, Chakshu, so that you can recognize me. Tasmat sadityam chakshuhu saha pratyadisha saha tatsthaihi sarvai rupeshu pratishtitam. Tasmat sadityam adityena saha chakshuhu saha pratyadisha saha tatsthaihi sarvai rupeshu pratishtitam. Chakshu along with the eastern direction and the Aditya Devata is there in all Rupa. Sarvai Rupeshu Pratishtitam. So this is a way of understanding. Okay, there is no, these are all Upasana discussions. So somebody can say Rupa is Pradhana, Chakshu is in Rupa, Aditya Devata is there, eastern direction is there. You say Aditya is Pradhana, Chakshu is there, Rupa is there, eastern direction is there. Chakshu is Pradhana, you put everything there. So here, because in this Karya Karana Vichara, Rupa is given at the end. As a Rupa is Pradhana. Then he'll say Rupa is recognized through Buddhi. So ultimately you come to Antakarana. Chakshusho Ruparabdhatve Phalitamaha. Chakshu is Rupa Arabdha. What is the Phalitam? So Tasmat Sadityam, etc. Upasamritam Artham Sangrihnati. So what is Upasamrita? He makes it in a comprehensive statement. Chakshusha saha prachidik sarva rupa bhuta तानि च कस्मिन्नु रूपाणि प्रतिष्ठितानि इति हृदय इति होवाच. Along with the eyes and the eastern direction, prachidik sarva rupa bhuta is of the nature of all rupa, all forms. Sarva rupa bhuta. Tani cha kasminnu rupani pratisthitani. Then where are all these rupa pratisthita? Iti hridaye iti hovacha. In buddhi. हृदय आरब्धानि रूपाणि रूपाकारेण हि हृदयं परिणतम्. हृदय आरब्धानि रूपाणि. 9 नंबर टिप्पणी बुद्धि रीति यावत्. All the forms are originating from buddhi. रूपाकारेण हि हृदयं परिणतम्. Entire hridayam is parinatam रूपाकारेण. यस्माद् हृदयेन हि रूपाणि सर्वो लोको जानाति. यस्माद् हृदयेन हि रूपाणि सर्वो लोको जानाति. So everybody knows all the forms through अंतःकरण वृत्ति alone. हृदयम इति बुद्धि मनसि एकीकृत्य निर्देश. हृदय means mind and intellect together. टीका हृदयारब्धत्वं रूपाणां स्फुटयति. हाउ दे आर हृदयारब्ध रूपाकारेण. हृदय रूपाणां प्रतिष्ठितत्वे हेत्वन्तरमाह यस्मात्. यस्माद् हृदयेन हि रूपाणि सर्वो लोको जानाति. हृदय शब्दस्य मांस खंड विषयत्वं व्यावर्तयति बुद्धि मनसि. कथं पुनर्बहिर्मुखानि रूपाणि अंतर्हृदये स्थातुं पारयन्ति तथा. रूपास आर आउटसाइड, हृदय अंतःकरणवृत्ति is inside. How external forms are within in buddhi. He says तस्माद् हृदये हि एव रूपाणि प्रतिष्ठितानि. Why हृदयेन हि स्मरणं भवति. Through अंतःकरण वृत्ति alone you recollect anything. रूपाणां वासनात्मनां तस्माद् हृदये रूपाणि प्रतिष्ठितानि इत्यर्थः. All the rupas are vasanatmaka. So vasanatmanam षष्ठी पाठ है. This is vasatmana vasanatmana तृतीया पाठ है. टीका तथापि कथम तेषां हृदय प्रतिष्ठितत्वं तत्राह वासनात्मना. एवं एव एतद् याज्ञवल्क्य. He says this is how it is Yajnavalkya. You are right. So this first one, everything is given in detail. Now 4 next directions Bhashyakar will not elaborate, and you have understood, so there is no elaboration needed. किं देवतो अस्यां दक्षिणायां दिशि असि इति यमदेवत इति स यमः कस्मिन् प्रतिष्ठित इति यज्ञ इति कस्मिन्नु यज्ञः प्रतिष्ठित इति दक्षिणायाम् इति कस्मिन्नु दक्षिणा प्रतिष्ठिता इति श्रद्धायाम् इति यदा ह्येव श्रद्धत्ते अथ दक्षिणां ददाति श्रद्धायां ह्येव दक्षिणा प्रतिष्ठितेति कस्मिन्नु श्रद्धा प्रतिष्ठितेति हृदय इति होवाच. हृदयेन हि श्रद्धां जानाति हृदये हि एव श्रद्धा प्रतिष्ठिता भवति इति एवमेव एतद् याज्ञवल्क्य. So here also he starts with Dakshina Disha. Devata is Yama, where Yama is Pratishtita in Yajna. Yajna is Pratishtita in Dakshina. Yajna is fulfilled only when Dakshina is given. And that Dakshina should be given with Shraddha. So Dakshina is Pratishtita in Shraddha. Yada hi eva Shraddhate. Shraddhate, how Shraddhate Shabda will be formed? Shrad is not Dha. Dha is the Dha. Dudhaye Dharan Poshana Yoho is the Dhatu. Shrat is another Shabda, is Avyaya. Dha is the dhatu. Shrad dhatte. Dhatte, how you will form? But how, which sutra you will have? Dha, dhatu is there. Then shlau. So dha dha te. Rasvaha dha dha te. Then shnabhyastalporartha. So akar will go dha with halant. And mukhya sutra is dadhas tathoscha. Like how jashas tathor dhodaha, prior to that is this sutra, dadhas tathoscha. Dhakar will become dakara. And dhakar. So first dakar is there, it will become dha. Through abhyasa charcha, it was da, now it is dha. And dha will become da, dadhas tathoscha. Then kharicha dhatte. You should see shraddhatte form. When Shraddha is there, Dakshinam Dadati. Shraddhayam.
Form is there?
What is that?
Where is that form is available? Shraddhatte?
Shraddhate is, you have to put two takara. Two takaras are there. In your book, if there is one takara, then make it two. Shraddhate. Book might have one takara. That was what your question was?
No, Swamiji. Swamiji mentioned you should see Shraddhatte form. So Dhatte form is there?
Dhatte form you should see. Shrad is Anubandha there. Dhatte form
Okay.
you see.
Swamiji, Shraddha Dhana Mat Parama Bhakta Setiva Me Priya is the same word?
Dhatte is dhatu. That Shrad Dadhana is different. Dhatte you have to see. Dhatte Rupa. Atha Dakshinam Dadati. When Shraddha is there, then he will give Dakshina. Shraddhayam hi eva Dakshina pratisthita. So, Dakshina is pratisthita in Shraddha. Tasminnu Shraddha pratisthita, where is Shraddha pratisthita? In Hridaya, in Buddhi. Hridayena hi Shraddham janat. Along with Antakaran alone, he will know Shraddha. Means I will know I have Shraddha in something. I will know I don't have Shraddha. I am always doubting, questioning. You will know. And you cannot say, no, I have Shraddha, but I also have many questions. If Shraddha is there, yes, it is over. If Shraddha is not there, why these, so many questions can be there. Logical reasoning is different. Kim devato asyam dakshinayam dishi asiti purvavat. What is said earlier, same thing now. Dakshinayam dishi ka devata tava yama devata iti. Yama is the devata. Yamo devata mama dakshinadik bhutasya. I have identified with this Dakshina Disha also. स यमः कस्मिन् प्रतिष्ठित इति यज्ञ इति. यमे यज्ञ कारणे प्रतिष्ठितो यमः सह दिशा. In yajna, which is the karana, yama is pratishthita. In tika, purvavad iti uktameva vyanakti. All this he elaborates. Dakshinaya. Yamasya yajna karyatvam aprasiddham iti shankitva vyuthapayati. Yama and yajna karya, they are not connected. How did you put them together? इति उच्यते. कथम पुनर्यज्ञस्य कार्यम यम इति उच्यते. व्युत्थापयति 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. व्युत्पादयति इति पाठांतरम. Actually that पाठ is better पाठ. व्युत्पादयति, not व्युत्थापयति. इति उच्यते. ऋत्विग्भिर्निष्पादितो यज्ञो दक्षिणया यजमानस्तेभ्यो यज्ञं निष्क्रिय तेन यज्ञेन दक्षिणां दिशं सह यमेन अभिजयति. ऋत्विग्भिर्निष्पादितो यज्ञ. With the help of ऋत्विक, यज्ञ which is निष्पादिता. दक्षिणया यजमानः तेभ्यो यज्ञं निष्क्रिय. With दक्षिणा, what yajman does is Nishkriya means you have to earn. You buy the yajna. Means you give dakshina, so yajmana will give dakshina, Ritvik will perform. Tena yajnena dakshinam disham saha yamena abhijayati. Along with the disha yamena abhijayati. Tena yajne yamaha karyatvat pratisthita. In that yajna, yama is the karya. I have to win over yama. Yamena saha abhijayati. Dakshinam disham yamena saha abhijayati. So I perform yajna. Performance of yajna, etc. means I am assured I will have better future. Punya loka. Why people are afraid of dying? Because they feel, I don't know what is going to be my future. And those people who feel future is going to be worse than now, because in this life itself I have done lot of garbada. So how will I have better thing? Then they are afraid of that. If I know I will have better future, I will be nischinta. Or even if I know I will have less problems, I will be nischinta. Correct?
Yes,
Like
Swamiji.
then we become, let's say, 90-year-old. In the body, how many problems are there? Too many. At least I will have new body, less problem. So, and we should act, those who are sadhaka, they should feel this way. When I started this life, I didn't have Vedanta knowledge. I didn't have much sadhana. And at least few years of that I have done in this life. So the future will be certainly better than what was now. Even if I don't get moksha. And those who have understood very clearly, when Bhagavan says 3 things I mentioned in Gita class, here also I will mention. 3 things, 3 times Bhagavan said. 15th chapter, he said, Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishta. I am aham. Means I am present in all as aham, as Atma. 1. In Vibhuti, Bhagavan said, Aham Atma Gudakesha Sarva Bhuta Shrayasthita. I am Atma. I am you. means there is no you, it is me. And third, he said, Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi. I am Kshetrajna. So it is very clear, he says, this Atma is Brahma, is Paramatma alone. If I understand this as Lakshyartha, then there is no question of what will be my future. But for Karmi Upasakas, this is there. Tena yajñe yamaha karyatvat pratishtitaha saha dakshanaya disha. So in yajna, yama, because his karya, is pratishtita. So he is yajna karyam. Yama is yajna karya. Yajna karyatva phalitama. Yajnasya dakshinayam pratishthitatvam sadhayati. Kasminu yajna pratishtita, yajna, where it is pratishtita, iti dakshinayam iti. Up to this, because there is more. Dakshinaya saha nishkriyate, etc. We will see. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।